Good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Zaria Street, and this is my presentation to How Can ASMR Affect Your Well-Being? This is my content page. I'll be showing you total to 5 slides. So, what is ASMR? Well, ASMR is an abbreviation for Autonomous Sensory Meridians Response, and it is a variety of soothing sensations throughout the body due to gentle stimuli and encourages the mind to relax. It is those for people who have trouble sleeping, a mother trying to soothe their infant child, or if you're studying, it's a good background noise to just keep your mind focused and relaxed. It is a universal aid to promote a very calming environment. Let's break down the words that stand for ASMR. Autonomous means spontaneous and self-governing. Sensory pertains to the senses or sensation. Meridian signifies a peak, climax, or point of highest development. Response is referring to experience triggered by something external or internal. And ASMR has 3 categories of triggers, which is tactical, visual, and auditory. So, tactical triggers is like getting a physical examination from a doctor or getting massages. It's just having someone cater to you carefully and attentively gives you a feeling of relaxation and comfortability. Visual triggers, like watching careful and concise hand movements or following a light, it just makes the eyes more restful. And once again, just promotes a very relaxing environment. Auditory triggers, like vocal types, consist of whispering, like this, and soft spoken, like this. Mouth sounds, which includes kissing, lip smacking, and eating, and other auditory sounds like tapping on a wooden block or crinkling a bag. Auditory triggers are actually the most popular trigger in ASMR. The physical sensations you will experience from ASMR are tingles like carbonated bubbles in a champagne glass, starting from the top of your head and then descending down throughout your body. And the psychological sensations that are accompanied with ASMR are feelings of security, serenity, and a peace of mind. How can people experience ASMR? Well, there are 2 types of people who experience ASMR, and they are called Type A and Type B. Type A is an internally induced ASMR, which is meditation, a popular, relaxing meditation that is similar to the effects that ASMR does. It's the loving and kindness meditation. You just repeat loving and affirming things to yourself until you actually believe it, with deep breathing, of course. Type B is an externally induced ASMR. Here's one of the 3 types that can happen. It can happen unintentionally through another person, like you go visit a hairdresser, a consultation from someone, or getting tailored. It is just someone who you don't know accidentally triggering ASMR in you. So, the next one is one person unintentionally triggering ASMR in an audience. A very, very popular example is Bob Ross, creator of The Joy of Painting. Everyone knows him for painting very happy trees, and he talked in a calming voice, and everyone loved the sound of him painting, the way he was painting, and it just made everyone feel very relaxed. One person intentionally stimulating ASMR in a group of people. A popular YouTuber is Gentle Whispering ASMR, and she has almost 1,500,000 subscribers. So if you want to experience ASMR, that would be a good source for you to go to. Who cannot experience ASMR? Well, people have misophonia. It is selective sound sensitivity syndrome that often starts with oral sounds like breathing, eating, or whispering. And these people often act out in rage, and it does not provide the same soothing experience as it does for others. The benefits of ASMR is those who can experience it showed significant greater reductions in their heart rates when watching ASMR videos, those compared who don't. It also showed a significant increase in positive emotions, including relaxation and feelings of social connection. It is also comparable to other research findings on the psychological effects of stress reduction techniques, such as music and mindfulness. This is my Works Cited page, and thank you for listening to How Can ASMR Affect Your Well-Being? Have a good day.